Using a 13mm socket, go ahead and remove our ground terminal nut here. Now go ahead and spin the terminal loose. Work that off and set it aside. On the back side of your marker light, there's a 7/16 nut. You gotta loosen and remove that. Once it's loose with a socket, we can spin it off by hand. You can go ahead and put your finger underneath the light and reach around the back side. And we're going to go ahead and work this marker light out, like so. And twist out your bulb and harness. Just going to install our bulb into the back. Now what we want to do is feed our stud through, and then we have our 2 push pins on the back side that actually insert into the metal clips up inside to lock these into place. I'm just going to gently and evenly just push the light straight back. Once that's in, let's go ahead and install the nut on the back side of the park light. Right, install our nut on the back side. That's going to spin on pretty easy, so I'll tighten that down as far as I can by hand. And then we'll go ahead and tighten that down. And once you feel that nut start to snug up, you want to go just a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten this. You're just holding a piece of plastic into the body. Just go ahead and grab our negative terminal, pop that on. Let's go ahead and tighten down this side. And once it snugs down, you're all set.